Ultimate DIY guy here, working on the 2016 BMW 328i. We are going to be doing the complete brake job, rotors, pads, and brake pad wear sensor. To start, break these lugs, all 5, 17mm, jack it up. I'll include a picture of the jack and jack stand orientation, and then to make it easier on ourselves, let's turn this wheel and turn it all the way to the right. There you go. Just like that. Turn it back off. Let's get our cat back on. This is the rear wheel drive model. Now, I've done these before, so it should come out pretty easy. And it does, just like that. Just like that. Start it, pop you out. Hand right here, protect yourself. So get that shim and pop it out. Pop these covers off. There's 2 of them. Pop this other side off. 2 covers. Pop it out. Walk it in. And then squeeze these together just a bit. And this should come right on out. Just like that. Nice. This right here, cheater bar method, and just like that. Also, when doing your brakes, it's a good time to check your wheel bearing. Just spin it, give it a couple spins, nice and quiet, no play. Yeah. Good. Whatever. And just like that. Pop this out. We have the brake pad wear sensor on here. Let me see if it'll pull out with it. Once it's in there, it's in there. Okay, I forgot about that. Let's follow this back. That's 1 spot. 2 spot. Open up this door. There's a door here. Pop that door open. And follow this wire right here. Pop that out. Now, going to get our little piece right there and She's out. Perfect. Get that. And walk you out. Thing right here. Tear that up. Hit it. Those ears too. These ears also make contact. Now, cool thing about these rotors are they already have a zinc coating on them, so they don't actually need to be cleaned with grease. So let's put you back on there just like that. Hold on. Just like that. Just like that. Nothing more. Get our old brake pad and just kind of spread that on this side, and nice, just like that. Get your pads. And they should slide back and forth nice and easy. Good. Gotta pay attention to the orientation. The side with this little hump is right here. Snaps right into place. And then we're gonna prep this caliper now. Fish it through here, just like that. Get our pad itself, and hold on. All right, there we go. Insert it. Now, just like that. Slide you in. Okay, good. Start here. Push it in. Here. Push it in. And get our sensor right there. And you want to hear that thing. There you go. You want to hear that snap. Got that snap. Now, this is a really sensitive sensor, so be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. You know, BMW likes to keep it sensitive. Now, okay, good. Everything's closed, everything's on. And lastly, you guys can see it's all right here, the last one. You can see that one. And bam, everything's in. Good. Get this bad boy right here, and that locks it in place. And that's a great job, you guys. Last thing, flip, and I'll do it the other way so you guys can see it. Maybe not. Basically just push it in, and just like that, all in. Well done. Now that our brake job is done, let us pump our pedal nice and slow till it gets nice and firm. Good. Pedal stands nice and firm. Now with the foot off the pedal, start button, turn the car, I believe this way. Okay, now once you do the brake job, we're gonna have to reset the brake pad sensor. So if I'm not mistaken, we should be holding this button in down here. So let's hold that in. Okay, good. Reset possible. Not that. We're gonna keep pressing. That's our back brakes. This is our main brake. This is our main. That's our coolant. We already did this. Okay, let's reset our brake pads. Here we go. Now hold this in. So our front brake pads. Let go and then hold it in again. Reset in progress. There you go, 90,000. All done. Thanks for watching.